The cold air continuing for the rest of the week. Unfortunately for us, not really going to see any of those freezing temperatures or above this week. So get ready to keep those thick gloves and hats and coats out. But at least it's going to be mainly dry. There are two systems that we're watching though for Wednesday, which will be primarily lake effect snow, and then Friday, which will be some more system snow. Overall accumulations look to be around 2 to 4 inches with higher totals down towards the lakeshore, where we could see some additional accumulations due to a relatively stationary band. Right now, temperatures are in the teens and low 20s, which is where we've been pretty much all day. It's been cloudy the last couple of hours, but we did get about 3 hours of partial sunshine. That took our total amount of sun from 18 minutes earlier before today to about 180 minutes or so. So we tenfolded our amount of sunshine, but it's still not enough, right? Cloud cover, though, continuing for us tonight, although with our wind direction out of the north, it is favorable to not see any snow beyond just maybe a few flurries due to how cold it is. It's this Clipper system out into Canada coming in that will be the first of the two systems to bring in the potential for some snow. And initially, it will be mostly along the lakeshore, but some of that will get pulled a little bit farther inland. Temperatures tomorrow and Wednesday ending up in the low to mid 20s. Not the best outdoor weather and certainly below average, but we have been pretty dry for the last couple of days. Now we're going to see the potential of some of those higher accumulations from Wednesday onwards along the lakeshore. The rest of us across the 131 corridor, while there could be some areas of accumulations, most of this looks to be pinned towards the lakeshore. For our winter weather impacts, most of us are limited. Those along the lakeshore have minor impacts expected, which is one step up. For tonight, though, it will be dry. Temperatures in the teens, which is pretty much where we are now, minus a couple of degrees, so not a lot of movement again. Staying continually cloudy with a chance for some gustier winds, bringing the feels like temperatures down. Same for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get up a little higher than today, though. 27, 28. Some of us, maybe Three Rivers, Benton Harbor could touch 30, but it's pretty unlikely for us. Going into early tomorrow, you can see that little bit of a wind direction change coming in. That could lead to a few lakeshore flurries early in the day, but most of us are just going to be cloudy until this Clipper system rolls in and brings in that more favorable wind direction to really ignite more of the lake effect snow. We'll see that from Oceana County down through Van Buren County, and if you do get stuck under one of these bands, it could produce a decent amount of snow in a small stretch. Most of us, though, through a lot of the early part of Wednesday and even into the afternoon, will not see a whole lot of snow. This model is bringing one pretty thick snow band down to the south of Kalamazoo that could result in maybe 4 or 5 inches of snow in these areas. But looking at some of our accumulations through midday Wednesday, they look to be fairly low outside of the immediate lakeshore. Of course, that can change, and if you get stuck under a band, you'll see more snow. But most of us outside the lakeshore look to be okay through Wednesday. Additional snow coming Friday through the weekend.